Guys, it's me. Go and check my channel, TimTam21. TimTam21. The videos will be in the description, I think. Maybe not. It depends if I'm lazy. Or if Paddy's lazy. But I'm going to tell him to do it. So, alright, let's do it. Or shiny eyes. Ready? I'm going to turn around. I don't know where he is. I think you might be able to see him. Sorry, it's in this mode. I just want it in this mode. It looks cooler. So you can see him right there. It's that person with the curly hair. I think he has his t-shirt off. There he is. He looks out the window, guys. So yeah, he can look out the window for like an hour or two. So and he doesn't, and he can't hit anybody weirdly. Ready? He's gonna hear me. He heard me, I think. Oh, slowly. Ready? What the heck? Wait, it's just a prank boy. Go away!
Just go back! Give me that phone!
Come and subscribe to this channel because he just got pranked. Come on!
No!
He's hearing me.
Give me that.
Stop hitting me.
Give me my phone.
Like and subscribe and go to TimTam21 and watch out. Watch prank goes wrong. So bye.
Give me that! Sorry guys. Anyway, bye. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye.